So only almost 15 minutes to the airport from Nadine apartment. And this is Providence. And this church, ano ba ito? The first, oldest or first, I forgot what's the old church, historical church.
Use the second from the right lane to turn right onto Memorial Boulevard.
This is Providence in Rhode Island, Memorial Boulevard, along Memorial Boulevard. Doon dati siya nakatira si Nadine, then first second year, then the third year lumipat na siya rin sa apartment. Kasama niya si Raya, she's from the Philippines. And this is their downtown. That's their mall.
Use the middle lane to turn slightly right onto the I-95 South ramp.
South ramp. Okay.
Continue on I-95 South for a half mile.
Pagka ganitong may slow down, for sure may accident yan. Red siya. Ganito lang naman pagka traffic dito, either may accident or emergency. 1 mile na lang kami. Malapit na kami. That's Rhode Island. TF Green International. Is it international? Lagi ba? I-return muna natin itong rent a car.
Take exit 1A, then turn left onto Jefferson Boulevard.
And then from rental car, lalakad na lang kami papuntang terminal. Papagas muna tayo kasi kinuha namin ng full tank. Sa Pilar Soli rin namin ng full tank. Konti lang naman nabawas, dadagdagan lang natin ng konti. Gas station dito eh. Dagdagan lang natin ng konti. Bali 3.35 per gallon. Oops, tapos na. So bali yun lang dinagdag natin, $5. Nagdagdag lang ako ng $5. Yes, 3.35 per gallon, pinakamura. Rental cars only. Return na natin ang ating sasakyan. Wala kami hotdog. Yung liner? Red liner yung babalik namin ng San Francisco. Okay. Okay guys, so from rental car, meron siyang footbridge papuntang terminal. So bali from the airport terminal, meron siyang footbridge. Andito yung mga rental car niya. Aga pa, wala pang tao. And also meron siyang train station here papuntang Boston. Kung gusto mo mag Boston Airport, mag-connect ka ng Rhode Island, pwede rin siya. Walkway. Yung bed liner ni Nadine, inuwi namin kasi hindi niya nagagamitin kasi meron na siyang bed, hindi kagaya doon sa dorm niya dati. Twin lang yun, so binalik namin. So dito yung dulo ng walkway to the terminal. Airport terminal. Maaga pa kami, sarado pa yung kiosk. 10:30 pa yung flight namin, so babalik kami ng 8:30. Tambay muna. Maliit lang na airport tong Providence. Okay, we just checked in yung luggage namin and then we just passed the security. Bibili lang kami ng coffee. Dunkin' Donuts. And ito yung Providence Airport. Maliit lang siya. Not like Boston. May mga tindahan. Order kami sa Dunkin' Donuts using the kiosk. Okay. Have to begin. Hot drinks. Latte, cappuccino, americano, americano. Okay. Size medium. And soup. Gusto mo cold? Huh? Cold? Iced coffee, iced drink? Juice.
Magkano? Blueberry. Ice cappuccino.
Oh, caramel cold foam.
Cold brews.
Ice Americano.
The original ice coffee.
Ice blend. This one with foam. Medium. Black dairy. What? Cream?
Ilang kaya?
Yeah, that's 3.
Yeah. And then ice standard sweetened.
Hey, okay, done. Let me modify my one shot. I put 1 shot.
Wala na.
No, no.
May bayad pa.
Yeah. Saka nga. Add on. Yeah.
Saan ang bayad?
There. Apple Pay. Go to check out. Oh, thanks. Finish order. What's your name? Last one.
Ayan.
Yeah. Put it closer.
Okay na.
Closer to the screen.
Receipt naman.
Okay, that's it. Order is 9447. Ito na maganda rito sa East Coast, maraming Dunkin Donuts. Sa West Coast, bihira lang siya. Thank you so much, dear. You too. My Americano with 1 shot. Actually, she gave me another shot for free. Oh, cool. Coffee of the day. Balik na tayo sa boarding gate. So we got a seat assignment. Good news, you got a seat assignment. 7A and 4C. Yeah, 4C.
Solo.
Guys, nasa aeroplano na kami ngayon. Pero si Len is now okay processor for sa first class. So we just landed Washington. Nagkukulik kami papuntang San Francisco. Pero plano namin maliit lang. So meron pa kami 2 hours. So I'm here using my priority pass, Air France Lounge. This is all the food I got. Got salad, cookies, bread, some juice. Right here. So after we ate at Air France Lounge, punta na kami sa gate, seat 25. We're on standby, so maghintay pa kami mabigyan ng upuan. And that's our gate. Hintay pa kami. Departure at 2:36. So we're number 4 and number 5 on the list. And that's our gate. Yes, we got a seat assignment 11B and 12B. We're going back home. Yep. There you go. Welcome back to San Francisco. Okay, we're going back to San Francisco, final leg. So that's it, guys. Balik na kami sa San Francisco. Until then, on our next video. Bye-bye.